Hello friends, welcome to Infinite Coaching Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1, the tissues. So let's see. Section 1. Name the following. Tissues made up of cells that do not have the ability to divide. Answer is permanent tissues. Next question. A type of parenchyma that contains chloroplasts and is found in leaves. Answer is Cholrenchyma. Next question. Sclerenchyma cells found in seed coats and pulp of fruits. Answer is sclerites. Next question. A type of connective tissue that connects muscles to bones. Answer is tendons. Next question. The type of muscle that is made of spindle shaped cells. Answer is unstriated muscles. Next question. The cell body of a nerve cell. Answer is cytone. Next question. Animal tissues that are hard and have deposits of minerals. Answer is bone. Next question. A fluid connective tissue. Answer is blood. Next question. Choose the correct option. The simple tissue in plants is made up of dead cells. Answer is option R. Parenchyma, Cholrenchyma, Collenchyma, Chloronchyma, Sclerenchyma. Answer is Sclerenchyma. Next question. Which of the following is a lateral meristem? Options are tracheids, sieve tubes, cambium, companion cells. Answer is cambium. Next question. Cotton fibres are a type of flax. Options are Collenchyma, Sclerenchyma, Parenchyma, meristems. Answer is Sclerenchyma. Next question. This tissue is found in between vertebrae. Options are ligament, tendon, areolar tissue, cartilage. Answer is cartilage. Next question. Striated muscles have dax nuclei. Options are 1, 2, 3, many. Answer is many. Next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements by changing the first or last words. Chitin is the waxy coating secreted by leaf epidermis. Answer is false. Cuticle is a waxy coating secreted by leaf epidermis. Next question. Collenchyma and Sclerenchyma are complex tissues. Answer is false. Collenchyma and Sclerenchyma are simple tissues. Next question. Tendons connect one bone to another at the joints. Answer is false. Ligament connect one bone to another at the joints. Next question. The fluid matrix in blood is called plasma. Answer is true. Next question. Unstriated muscles have branched cells. Answer is false. Striated muscles have branched cells. Next question. Bundles of axons together form a neuron. Answer is false. Bundles of axons together form a nerve. Next question. State the main functions of the following. Lateral meristem. They bring about an increase in the girth or thickness of stems and roots. Parenchyma. They synthesize and store food. Phloem. They conduct the prepared food throughout the plant body. Epithelial tissue. They protect against infection and prevent dehydration. Their function also includes absorption, secretion of substances, and sensory reception. Ligament. They connect one bone to another at the joints, holding them together in the position so that the bones remain stable during movement. Choose the odd term in each of the following sets and write down the category to which the other three belongs. Parenchyma, Cholrenchyma, fibres, Xylem. Odd term is fibre. Category to which the other three belongs are types of ground tissues. Next question. Sieve tube, companion cell, tracheid, Collenchyma. Answer is odd term is Cholrenchyma. Category to which the other three belong is parts of complex tissue. Next question. Bone, ligament, neuron, cartilage. Answer is odd term is neuron. Category to which the other three belong is types of dense connective tissue. Next question. Epithelial tissue, meristematic tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue. Answer is odd term is meristematic tissue. Category to which the other three belong is type of animal tissue. Next question. Apical, lateral, muscular, intercalary. Answer is odd term is muscular. Category to which the other three belong is types of meristematic tissue. Next question. Match the following. Meristematic tissue, cambium, complex tissue, phloem, dense connective tissue, cartilage, muscular tissue, cardiac, fluid connective tissue, blood. Next question. Section 2. Give reasons for the following. Permanent tissue do not divide. Answer is permanent tissue do not divide because they are composed of a group of cells which have lost the power to divide. Next question. Chloronchyma cells can make food. Answer is Chloronchyma cells can make food because it contains chloroplast. Next question. Bones are hard and strong. Answer is bones are hard and strong because of the presence of the inorganic salts of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus in the bone matrix. Next question. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Answer is blood is a fluid connective tissue because it carries oxygen and nutrients to different tissues, nutrients to different tissues and cells of the body. It also collects metabolic wastes from all body cells for excretion. Next question. Cardiac muscles work tirelessly. Answer is cardiac muscles work tirelessly because they are specialized muscles present only in the heart and are capable of rhythmic contraction and relaxation, which helps the heart to pump blood to all parts of the body. Next question. Differentiate between the following pair of words based on what is different in the bracket given in the bracket. Meristematic tissue, meristematic and permanent tissue. Definition. Meristematic tissue. This tissue have the ability to undergo repeated divisions to form new cells. Permanent tissues. This tissue are made up of cells which do not have the ability to divide. Next question. Parenchyma and Collenchyma. Cell wall. Answer is parenchyma. It is made up of cells that are thin-walled, spherical or oval, have large vacuole in their cytoplasm and a prominent nucleus along the margin. Collenchyma. Its cell wall are thickened at the corners due to deposition of cellulose impregnated with a substance called pectin. Next question. Xylem and phloem. Material transport. Xylem. Phloem. It helps in the upward conduction of water and minerals. Phloem. It conducts prepared food throughout the plant body. Next question. Ligament and tendon location. Answer is ligament. They connect one bone to another and the present at the joints. Tendon. They connect skeletal muscles to bones and are present at the end of skeletal muscle. Next question. Striated and unstriated muscles. Shape. Striated muscle. They appear stripped or striated due to the presence of light and dark bands. Unstriated muscles. They do not have striations and are thus called smooth or unstriated muscles. Next question. Define the following terms. Complex tissue. Complex tissues are made up of two or more different kinds of cells that work together as an unit. Parenchyma. Parenchyma is a type of parenchymatous tissue that has large air cavities in it. Blood. It is a red colored fluid that flows throughout together through the blood vessels within our body. Cartilage. Cartilage is made of special cells called chondrocytes present in a special matrix of collagen fibers, elastic fibers, and inorganic salts, chiefly of calcium. Epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues form a continuous protective layer over the surface of organs or lining of the body cavities. Lining of the body cavities. Short answer question. What are the functions of meristematic tissues? The functions of meristematic tissues is to bring about growth in length of plants and increase in the thickness of stems and roots. Next question. Why are xylem and phloem called conducting tissues? Answer is xylem helps in the upward conduction of water and minerals, while phloem conducts prepared food throughout the plant body. Xylem and phloem are usually found together, hence they are collectively called conducting tissues. Next question. Where are fibres and sclerides found in plants? Answer is fibers are found in the outer region of cortex and pericycle of stems, midrib of leaves, and in xylem and phloem sclerides are found in the seed coats and pulp of fruits. Next question. What is the composition of blood? Answer is blood is made up of a straw-colored fluid matrix called plasma, which contains about 90% water. It also contains blood cells, dissolved salt, and proteins. Next question. How are cardiac muscles structurally similar to striped muscles? Answer is structurally they resemble the skeletal muscle in being cylindrical and striated. The cells are branched and have a single nucleus in each cell. Next question. Long answer questions. What are the characteristics features of meristematic tissues? Answer is the characteristics features of meristematic tissues are they have closely packed cells with little or no intercellular space between them. The cells are more or less alike in shape, being either spherical, oval, or polygonal. They are made up of living cells. Each cell contains a dense protoplasm with a thin cell wall and a large centrally located nucleus. Vacuoles are either very small or absent. Write the location and function of the three types of small permanent tissues found in plants. Simple permanent tissues found in plants. Answer is the location and function of The three type of simple permanent tissues found in plants are parenchyma. It is widely distributed in plant organs such as roots, stems, and leaves. The main function of this tissue is to synthesize and store food. Collenchyma. It is found beneath the epidermis in stems of dicots. It provides mechanical strength to the plant body. This tissue also provides elasticity and flexibility to the leaf and stem. Sclerenchyma. It is found in the outer region of cortex and pericycle of stems, midrib of leaves, in xylem and phloem, and in the seed coats and pulp of fruits. The function of this tissue is to give mechanical strength to the plant. Next question. What are permanent tissue? Draw a mind map of the types of permanent tissues. Meristematic tissue divide and differentiate to form permanent tissues. They are specialized to perform specific functions. Mind map of the types of permanent tissues. Permanent tissues. Permanent tissue is divided into two types: simple tissues, complex tissues. Simple tissues are further divided into two types: dermal tissues, ground tissues. Complex tissues are also divided into two types: xylem and phloem. The ground tissue of simple tissues are further divided into three: parenchyma, collenchyma, Sclerenchyma. Next question. Describe the different constituents of the blood. Answer is: blood is made up of a straw-colored fluid matrix called plasma, which contains about 90% water. It also contains blood cells, dissolved salts, and proteins. Next question. Explain the structure of a nerve cell with the help of a diagram. This is the diagram. Next question. Picture study. Identify the type of tissue shown. Answer is: Figure 1, striated muscles. Figure 2, cardiac muscles. Figure 3, unstriated muscles. Next question. Give one feature of each type of tissues in figure 1 to 3. Figure 1, striated muscles. The contraction and relaxation of these muscles are under our control, and hence they are called voluntary muscles. Figure 2, cardiac muscles. Structurally, they resemble the skeletal muscle in being cylindrical and striated. The cells are branched and have a single nucleus in each cell. Figure 3, unstriated muscles. The contraction and relaxation of these muscles are not under our control, and hence they are called involuntary muscles. Next question. Which of these are exclusively present in the heart? Answer is: The muscles present exclusively present in the heart is figure 2, cardiac muscles. Next question. Which of these allow movements according to our will? Answer is the muscle which allow movements according to our will is figure 3, unstriated muscles. Next question. State one structural and one functional difference between 1 and 3. Figure 1, striated muscles. They appear stripped or striated due to the presence of light and dark bands. Striated muscles are found attached to the skeleton and are thus called skeletal muscles. They help in the movement of arms and legs, while figure 3, unstriated muscles, they do not have striations and are thus called smooth or unstriated muscles. These muscles are found along the walls of the digestive tract, urinary bladder, and other internal organs. Next question. Identify the tissues in 1 and 2. Are they meristematic or permanent tissues? 1. Parenchyma. 2. Sclerenchyma. They are permanent tissues. Next question. Label the parts marked 1, 2, and 3. 1. In intercellular space. 2. Lignified thick walls. 3. Simple pit. Next question. Mention one difference between tissue 1 and tissue 2. Answer is tissue 1. They have prominent intercellular space. Tissue 2. They have no intercellular space. Next question. Give one important function of each of the two tissues. Answer is tissue 1. The main function of this tissue is of synthesize and store food. Tissue 2. The function of this tissue is to give mechanical strength to the plant. Next question. Name the tissue 1 and 2. Tissue 1, xylem. Tissue 2, phloem. Which of the following categories of plant tissue do they belong? 1. Meristematic or permanent tissues. Answer: permanent tissue. Simple or complex tissue. Complex tissue. Photosynthetic or conducting tissue. Conducting tissues. Next question. Give any two structural differences between 1 and 2. Tissue 1, xylem, tubular or elongated cells, thin lignified walls, pitted dead. While tissue 2, phloem, narrow tubular cells, thin walled living presence of severe pore. Sieve pore. Next question. Complete the following flowchart on plant tissues. Plant tissue. Plant tissues are divided into two: meristematic, permanent. Meristematic tissue. Mature cells that are capable of repeated cell division. Permanent tissue. Mature cells that are incapable of cell division. Meristematic tissue. Permanent tissue are further divided into simple and complex. Simple tissue. Tissues composed of a single type of cell. Complex. Tissues composed of more than one type of cell. Simple. Parenchyma, Collenchyma, Sclerenchyma. Complex. Xylem, phloem. Parenchyma is divided into two: Cholrenchyma, Parenchyma. Sclerenchyma is also divided into two: fibres, sclerites. Xylem is also divided into two: vessels, tracheids. Phloem is also divided into two: sieve tubes, component cells. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.